Hey everybody, Mark Poisson coming to you today for July's Mark's Market in a minute. And let's just go over some numbers with our MLS, what happened within the last week. Within the last 7 days, there's been 2,830 new listings come on the market. In that same period of time, there have been 751 that went under contract, accepting backups, 81 that were contingent on a buyer sale, and there were 1,429 that went pending. Now, in that same period, there were 1,626 that actually closed. So the market's moving. As a matter of fact, the market for the June sales results were 8% higher than June of 2025. So the market is moving at a pretty good pace right now. And June of 2026, inventory was 5% lower than June of 2025. So with more activity and less inventory, we can expect to see the easing of prices that we've seen over the last year to 2 years. We can expect that easing to really moderate. Currently, we're seeing on average about a 2% downward moderation, but with high activity and low inventory, you're going to eat through a lot of that inventory, and you're going to drive us more back into that balanced market, even edging towards possibly a seller's market moving forward. So some really interesting news that I read about today. First-time home buyers currently make up 35% of the overall market. That is the highest number since before COVID. So that's going back to 2020 numbers. And there's a couple of different things that could be driving that. The number one thing I think may be driving that is the fact that income growth right now in our country for the last year has definitely been outpacing home values in a lot of areas, especially the lower the entry price ranges. Those are the price ranges that have been moderating more than 2% on an annual basis. They've been going down 3 to 5%. So if income is outpacing and homes are getting more affordable, that's why I think that so many first-time home buyers are jumping into the market. Judy and I here at Set Sale Group are poised and ready to help you and anybody that you know looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. We work pretty much all over Arizona. We specialize in the Valley. We've got a lot of contacts in Prescott. You know that we have our little Airbnb up there. So if you know of anybody that wants to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, reach out to Judy and I. Cheers all.